Welcome to the world's second shortest podcast, Wellbeing Wisdom Tiny Bites, where you get actionable, evidence-based, wagalicious answers to real-world problems in 90 seconds or less. I'm Sandy Weaver. Here's today's Tiny Bite. Think about the people you work with and write a list of names of those you interact with on a daily basis. Next to each name, write the words you think of when you think of them. Words like brainy, quiet, worrier, bossy, whatever is the predominant personality trait you associate with each person. Humans assemble a kind of shorthand about the people in our lives, and then we adapt our interactions based on how we see that person. Look at your list and focus on the person or people that you put negative words with. When you think negatively of someone, you don't generally treat them with as much warmth or trust as you do others. Today, see if you can find a more positive word to associate with them, and then act accordingly. When you can focus on a person's positive traits, and everyone has some, you get the best out of people in return. Want more? Come and play in the Wagalicious Life online community playground. Go to wagalicious.life. That's WAGALICIOUS.life. Here's to your success, one tiny bite at a time.